No music, no talking, no cell phones, and no food or drink. Now this is detention because all you little brats thought you could throw paper balls at me. But remember, Mrs. Bonbon Finkles don't play that. Oh, and Chandra's not here? Okay, well, I guess she'll be in real trouble. But anyways, if you break one of these rules, you will be writing 500 standards of those rules. So kids, I hope you enjoyed detention. I wonder what that Savvy girl on YouTube is up to. She is hilarious, and that Savvy show is so funny. I think I'll watch that. Oh, her cameraman be cracking her up. Like, oh my God, who is she? I get drunk of jealousy. Come your time back each time you leave. Cause I'm a nightmare dressed like a teacher. They'll tell you I'm insane. You know I love the players. And you love them. Chandra. Why are you coming too late to my class singing? Oh, I'm sorry, Mrs. Bonbon Finkles. I didn't mean to. I am so sorry. I don't want to hear it, Chandra. I don't want to hear it. And stop singing. Oh my God, Mrs. Bonbon Finkles. Did you get a new hairdo? Your hair looks good. And I like your new glasses. Oh, you like my little hairstyle? Well, yeah. You know, sometimes when you're having a bad hair day, you got to fix it. Chandra, you don't get brownie points for noticing that. I know I got new glasses as well, Chandra, but you don't get brownie points for that. Now sit down, and I don't want to hear you singing no more. Okay, Mrs. Bonbon Finkles, I'll get my stuff out. Good grief, can't watch a good YouTube show without you coming in here late. I'm insane. I got a blank space, baby, and I was on the one block. Is it torture? Don't think that I didn't want you. But someone love if it's torture. Chandra, I said stop singing. You know what? Did you not look at the rules? Detention rules. No music, no talking, no cell phone, no food. Which rule did you break, Chandra? Which rule did you break? No music. For that, you get out your notebook and you start writing those standards right now. Fine, I'll write standards. So hungry. So you want to start off with using powdered sugar, and this is just to make our rice paper look clear, like white. So you want to use just a little water, not too much. I will start off with about a teaspoon of water and then keep adding teaspoons to it. Or what you can do is use a half a tablespoon of water, not too much because we used about a half a cup of powdered sugar. So you just want it to look a white color when you're making this edible notebook slime. You guys, please do not use a lot of water, but this is the first step in our edible slime. It's almost ready. I'm just going to add a little more water just to get it a little more runny, not too much, but there you have it. Now I'm going to use rice paper, and what we're going to do is coat the sheets of rice paper with our pretty much our clear white powdered sugar mixture. So I'm adding it with a tablespoon, and then I'm using this brush to add it on. I'm going to do both sides of the rice paper just so it can look a white color to actually make it look like paper. So what this mixture does is actually make the rice paper look like paper. So I'm using about 3 rice paper sheets, and I'm covering both sides. Side note, you guys want these to dry together overnight. but don't let them dry out too long, because if you do before you cut the rice paper, then it will break and look crumbly. So yeah, you guys, and don't damp it too much. You want to damp it just heavy enough where it doesn't stick heavily to your other rice paper sheets, but also you want it damp enough where you can see through it, if you understand what I mean. I hope it's easy. So I'm just going to show you a few more of these that I did. Then after I show you what I did, we're going to get to the next step, which is cut our notebook paper. I know it doesn't look white, and that's because with the other one I messed up and I let them dry for 3 days, and when I let it dry for 3 days they got stuck together. So I said, you know what, I'm just going to show them the second part of what I'm going to do. So now we're just going to cut our rice paper into the shape of the notebook book. But you don't have to use it to make, you don't have to use the glue part or the white translucent part to make an edible notebook, but I would suggest it. Now I'm using an edible marker. This is an edible marker, and I'm just making holes in the edible marker so I can know where to hole punch my rice paper at. But I suggest you do, because when I was doing the beginning of the intro for this edible notebook, I literally cut the roof of my mouth. So precaution, please please use the edible icing sugar. You can use any icing sugar. You can use frosting if you want. Now I'm going to do the part where we're going to add our vinyl part to the notebook. So I'm just going to use Starburst, which I used about a half a cup of Starburst, some powdered sugar, and we're just going to mix this up until it's combined, you guys. Of course, I'm using a little bit of oil. And now what I'm going to do is just add my powdered sugar to that oil. Not powdered sugar, but my Starburst to that oil. And we're just going to knead it in the oil like you need pizza dough. If you guys cook, this is how you knead pizza dough. You just knead it. Now we're going to twist it, and we're just going to add it to the notebook. And pretty much that's how you get your little design for your notebook. This is really good with the icing sugar. I'm just warning you guys, this is really good with the icing sugar. So please use the icing sugar for this. Do not do it like I did it. It will cut the roof of your mouth, because when I was doing the skit, I literally cut the roof of my mouth. So use the icing sugar with it. It tastes much better, and I really did it. Side note, I know I spelled subscribe wrong. My bad, but please subscribe to my channel. I love you so much, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next back to school video. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah. Let's play the emoji game. So if you don't know, we play the emoji game every Saturday for your chance to get a shout out on Shout Out Tuesday. So you have to give me all these emojis plus the question of the day, and that's how you get a shout out for Shout Out Tuesday on my Instagram stories, on Snapchat, and of course a video. So make sure you're following me on all my social media sites, y'all, please, because I'm trying to get my followers up, and I love you guys so much. And we also do live streams every Tuesday and Thursday if you want to hang out with us live. So let's play the emoji game. I want one crazy-eyed tongue-out emoji. So you know, the one with the cross-sided and the tongue out. I want that emoji. I want a family emoji. So if it's depicting your family, it could be a mommy, a daddy, and a baby, whatever family emoji. I want that. I want a car emoji. I want a hospital emoji. I want a little bike emoji, because many of you know I like to ride bikes, like cyclists. A bicycle emoji. I want a heart emoji. I want that heart to be pink and yellow. So a pink heart and a yellow heart. I want a balloon emoji. I want a dessert emoji, so it could be a cake emoji. I also want an alien emoji, a clown emoji. I want a beach emoji, and I want a pig, a puppy, a little birdie, as well as a flower. So I hope you guys got that all right. And the question of the day is, what is your favorite candy? So if you love eating candy, let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite candy? And good luck. The first person to get all that, as well as answer the question of the day, I will pin your comment to the top, and the rest of you guys will be in our shout out for Shout Out Tuesday on my Instagram, as well as my Snapchat, and in our shout out video. So thank you so much for watching this episode of Shundara and Mrs. Bomb Bomb Finkles. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. It's getting hot in here.